वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमः ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणी। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैता गदाधरा श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna, everybody. So last class we finished Gaur Aarti. Right, and today in this class we will learn Darshanarti songs. Okay, so we already discussed how the daily Vaishnava bhajans are divided. Right, so first it is the morning Mangalarti bhajans, right, that starts with Guru Ashtakam, and then next it goes to Darshanarti, right, and then it is Bhogarti, then evening Sandhyarti, then it is Shayanarti in the night, right. So we finished morning Mangalarti song, Ashtakam, Narsimha Aarti and Tulsi Aarti and all that, right? And then Shikshashtakam also we finished, right? And then what we sing is Darshanarti. So that we have to finish today. I mean, we will begin, okay? So Darshanarti, again, it is 3 parts. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Karo More, that is one song that we sing. After that, it is Guru Puja, right? That is, we sing Guru Vandana, right? And then it is our Diksha Guru. If we are initiated, you sing your Diksha Guru song also, right? If you are not initiated, then you can just sing. You know, it's very important. It helps you get initiated fast, right? And if you're sheltered, also we need to sing Shri Kripa Bindu Diya, right? And then after that, it is Bhogarti that we finished, Yashomati Nandan, and then it is Gaurarti in the evening, Sandhyarti, that also we finished. Then what is remaining is Radha Krishna Pranamora, that is Shayanarti. Right? So these are the things. So today we will learn Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Karo More. Everybody knows the song, I think, right? But it's very auspicious to sing this song because we are begging for the mercy of the Lord, right? And we all know Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Mahamadanya Avatar, right? So he is Mahavadanyaya. Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate. So he is Mahavadanyaya, means very, very merciful. Maha, the greatest mercy. Which form of Krishna can give us? Only Chaitanya Mahaprabhu can give us, right? That's the specialty of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Why is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu so merciful, and why Krishna is not very merciful? Anyone knows?
Because he is also the Swarup of Radharani.
Haribol, exactly, because he is also Radharani, right? And that's why he is more merciful. What is that one thing that Radharani can give? Anyone?
Hare
Krishna is,
Krishna Mataji, Dandavat Pranam.
yeah.
Krishna Prema Mataji.
Haribol, exactly. Krishna Prema, right? Very nice. So, Krishna Prema. So, Krishna doesn't know anything about bhakti, right? So, Krishna cannot give us Krishna Bhakti because he is not a bhakt of anyone, right? So, because he is the Supreme Lord, that is one thing he lacks. So he was craving for it so badly, right? So he was craving. What is it? What does bhakti even feel like? Why are these gopis and Radharani so happy after serving me? Right? Because Krishna never served anyone. Krishna doesn't know what is bhakti because he's supreme personality of Godhead. So he was craving to understand how that feeling is, right? So he wanted to personally come and experience. That's the reason he came down as a bhakt, right, as a devotee. And then so Radharani, so he came in the form of Radharani because there's no better devotee than Radharani, right? So he came down in the form of Radharani and to experience what that prema, Krishna prema feels like, and only Radharani can give. So with this, what we understand is Radharani gave even Krishna prema. Can you imagine? Right? Krishna himself doesn't know his own glories, right? So Radharani gave Krishna prema so that he will understand what his own glories are, how his, how what kind of feeling, what kind of happiness, Krishna can give to others. Everything Krishna understood about himself. Right, that's the specialty of Radharani. So that's why she's even greater than Krishna, because Radharani is the one who gave Krishna also Krishna prema. Nobody else can give us Krishna prema other than Radharani. And if you want Radharani's prema or Radharani's mercy, right, we need to go through Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita Acharya, Gadadhar Pandit, and Srivas Thakur, right? So Panchatat, very important. That's why we begin this class, this batch, no, blissful, we begin with what? Nitai Pada Kamala, right? So because Heno Nitai Vinay Bhai, Radha Krishna Paitenai. Without Nitai, Nityananda Prabhu's mercy, we cannot get Radha Krishna's mercy, right? That's very important. Yeah, so let's begin with today's class. So this is during Darshanarti, right? So when after all the Shringar and everything for the Lord, what we do is, the pujaris, they open the curtain and they show the mirror towards the Lord, right? And the moment that happens, we start singing Radha Krishna, Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Karo More, right? Okay, first let me sing the whole thing, and then we can discuss para by para. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दया करो मोरे। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दया करो मोरे। तुम बिना के दयालु जगत संसारे। तुम बिना के दयालु जगत संसारे। पतित पावन है तू तव अवतारा। पतित पावन है तू तव अवतारा। मौसमा पतिता प्रभु ना पाई बेहारा। मौसमा पतिता प्रभु ना पाई बेहारा। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दया करो मोरे। हा हा प्रभु नित्यानंद प्रेमानंद सुखी। हा हा प्रभु नित्यानंद प्रेमानंद सुखी। लोकाना करो আমি বড় चैतन्यानिताय तव कृपा बाले पाय चैतन्यानिताय चैतन्या प्रभु दया करो मोरे गौरा प्रेममया तनु पंडिता गदाधारा गौरा प्रेममया तनु पंडिता गदाधारा श्रीनिवास हरिदासा दया रसागारा श्रीनिवास हरिदासा दया रसागारा हा हा स्वरूप सनातना रूप रघुनाथा हा हा सनातना रूप रघुनाथा भट्ट जुगा श्री जीवा प्रभु लोकनाथा भट्ट जुगा श्री जीवा प्रभु लोकनाथा श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दया करो मोरे दया करो श्री आचार्य प्रभु श्रीनिवासा दया करो श्री आचार्य प्रभु श्रीनिवासा रामचंद्र संग आगे नरोत्तम दासा रामचंद्र संगा मागे नरोत्तम दासा श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दया करो मोरे श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दया करो मोरे तुम बिना के दयालु जगत संसारे तुम बिना के दयालु जगत संसारे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे Hare Krishna everybody. So this is how the song is. Everybody knows, right? All of you are so advanced, but this is daily Vaishnava bhajan, so that's why I'm taking this. Okay, so now we will discuss each para. You all can sing. Okay, Muttu Manikyam Prabhu, you wanna sing
Hare
first
Krishna.
para?
चैतन्य प्रभु दया करो मोरे श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दया करो मोरे तुम बिना की दयालु जग संसारी तुम बिना की दयालु जग संसारी श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दया करो मोरे तुम बिना की दयालु जग संसारी। हरे कृष्ण।
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Thank you.
माता जी कुठे
Hare Krishna. He got disconnected. Okay. Yeah, so what does this mean, right? Daya karo more means begging mercy of Lord Chaitanya, right? So, my dear Lord Chaitanya, please be merciful to me, because who can be more merciful than your Lordship within these three worlds, right? That's why in the beginning only we discussed why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the most merciful form of the Lord. In no other form is Krishna as merciful as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because behind this, the real essence is Radharani, right? Krishna comes in the mood and complexion of Radharani, and so he comes down as a devotee, as Radharani. That's why, right? So this proves that a Vaishnava is more merciful than the Lord, right? That's why only because of Radharani's power, Krishna got that Mahavadanya. I mean, he came as Mahavadanyaya. That means a Vaishnava is always more merciful than the Lord himself. That's why it is said that only a Vaishnava can give us Krishna, right? That's why when you take initiation only, it's more formally you're connected to the Lord, and you can go back home, back to Godhead faster, right? Because you're connected through the Guru. If Guru is not there, if a Vaishnava is not there, then Krishna will not even look at you. He'll be like, who is this? Right? So that's why it's very important for Vaishnava's mercy. It's very important, right? So anybody else wants to try the first para? Who wants to try? Yes, Keshav Prabhu.
हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
Hare Krishna.
श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दया करो मोरे तुम बिना के दयालु जगत संसारे। हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhu. Okay, now next para, who wants to try?
Mataji, I'll try Mataji.
Yes, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji. पतित पावन हेतु तव अवतारा पतित पावन हेतु तव अवतारा मौसम पतिता प्रभु न पे बेआरा मौसम पतिता प्रभु नम पे बेहारा हरे कृष्ण।
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Prabhu. Yeah, so the meaning we'll see, right? So we are, further describing the Mahavadanya nature of the Lord. So what is it? Your incarnation is just to reclaim the fallen conditioned souls. But I assure you that you will you will not find a greater fallen soul than me. Therefore, my claim is first. So in Kali Yuga, there is a rule for going back home, back to Godhead. Anyone knows? What's the rule? I mean, rule as in there is an order. Who should go back home, back to Godhead first? Anyone knows what is it?
The most fallen soul first, Mataji.
Ariol, exactly. The most fallen soul goes back home back to first. Why? And that rule has been followed actually. Initial set of Srila Prabhupada's disciples were all the most fallen, right? Addicts, drug addicts, and etc. etc. Right? So why? Why is it the most fallen has to go first? No one knows. Any guesses? Because for Kali Yuga, the avatar or the form of Lord that that we need to worship is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And the purpose of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's incarnation is to reclaim the fallen souls back home, back to Godhead. Right? So the most fallen will get the first opportunity. Extra care, like a mother. Krishna comes down like a mother in Kali Yuga. In Dwapar Yuga, he comes down like a father. But in Kali Yuga, Krishna comes like a mother, and mother pays more attention to the child who is always crying, no? So if a mother has 5 children, right, and all the the other 4 children are doing their work, they are responsible enough, they are good, they are not highly dependent on the mother, they are grown up, right, and the 5th child is so small, all the time crying, all the time needs help, all the time so dependent on the mother, all the time calls out mummy, 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 right? So much dependent on the mother. Which child do you think the mother will pay more attention to? Obviously the 5th child, right, who is more dependent on the mother. So the mother, it's not that the other 4 children she doesn't like, it's just that she knows, she's confident about the other 4 children. She'll be like, okay, they can at least do their work on their own, they're independent, they're not like this all the time crying, right? So she pays more attention to the most dependent child, right, or the most all the time into trouble, right? That child she pays more attention to. That's why the most fallen gets delivered first, right? So example is also Jagai Madai, right? So Jagai Madai became so uplifted after they got Krishna. I mean, they got Krishna Prema. They started doing Vaishnava Seva. They went back home. They went back as Jagai Madai. I mean, Jaya Vijay back home, right? But when they came back, I mean, when they came to this world, right, as Hiranyakashipu or Hiranyaksha or then they became Ravana, Kumbhakarna and all. They never got delivered. Right? Only they were equally fallen. In fact, more fallen. Hiranyakashipu was the best of the demons. Right? So he was very, very fallen. Still, he never got delivered. But in Kali Yuga only they got delivered. Right? They went back as Jaya Vijay back home to Vaikuntha. Right? So that's the rule. In Kali Yuga, the most fallen will get delivered first. Right? So that's why Narottam Das Thakur, we all know how such a great personality he is. But he is saying, you will not find a greater fallen soul than me. My claim is first. Right? So, yeah. So anybody wants to try? Anybody else? And then we'll go to the next para.
Mataji, I'll sing after you.
Yes, Mataji. पतित पावना है तू,
पतित पावना है तू,
तव अवतारा,
तव अवतारा,
पतित पावना है तू,
पतित पावना है तू,
तव अवतारा,
तव अवतारा,
मो समापतिता प्रभु,
ओ समापतिता प्रभु,
न पाई बेआरा,
न पाई बेआरा,
मो समापतिता प्रभु,
मो समापतिता प्रभु,
न पाई बेआरा,
पाई बिहारा. Hare Krishna. Thank you.
Thank you, Mataji. So that's the mood, I'm most fallen. Please consider me, take me back home, back to Godhead, give me Krishna Prem. Do not leave me because I'm fallen, right? You're begging, like how we beg, our superiors. Say you're a small child and your mother says no, mother gets angry with you and says, no, I won't talk to you. How the child goes and convinces mother, right? So same way we have to, because Krishna has come down in the form of Radharani, our mother, right? So we have to same way go and convince and beg, I am fallen, but please accept me, do not, reject me. So that's how we need to sing when we sing this, right? Yeah, next, who wants to sing? Next, we talk about Nityananda Prabhu. So this song is a combination of begging mercy from everybody. First, we begin with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then it is Nityananda Prabhu, then Advaita Acharya, then we talk about Gadadhar Pandit, right? And then Srivas Thakur, then Haridas Thakur, right? And then we talk about, we beg mercy from Swarup Damodar, then Sanatan Goswami, Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, all them, Raghunath Das Goswami, Jiva Goswami, and then finally Loknath. So all of these, right? And also Srinivas Acharya, right? And these are all the devotees we seek mercy from in this, right? So who wants to try?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Third
Shall I?
para?
Hare
Yes,
Krishna Mataji.
Yeah.
Can you please teach me Mataji how? Aha Prabhu Nityananda.
No, it's a little lower. Ha
Prem.
Nityananda.
Mataji. Aha Prabhu Nityananda.
Mataji, it's a little
Premananda
lower.
Sukhi. Ha Mataji. How
Yeah,
Mataji? Can you
I'll
please?
just sing. You can sing after me. Ha ha Prabhu
Yes, Mataji.
Nityananda.
Aha Prabhu Nityananda.
Premananda Sukhi.
Premananda Sukhi.
Ha ha Prabhu Nityananda.
Aha Prabhu Nityananda.
Premananda Sukhi.
Premananda Sukhi.
Kripa Balokana Karo.
Rupa Balokana Karo.
Ami Boro Dukhi.
Ami Boro Dukhi.
Kripa Balokana Karo.
Kripa Balokana Karo.
Ami Boro Dukhi.
Ami Boro Dukhi.
Hare Krishna, thank you.
Thank you,
Ji.
Mataji.
Yeah, so what does this mean? This means now we are praying to Lord Nityananda, right? So, my dear Lord Nityananda, you are always joyful in spiritual bliss. Premananda Sukhi, right? Even in Chaitanya Charitamritam, the introduction to Nityananda is that anybody wearing blue colored dress and lost in ecstatic love of the Lord, right? Madly for dancing in the love of the Lord. Such a person is Nityananda. How can you identify Nityananda? First, he's wearing blue colored dress and he's always in ecstasy, lost madly in love with Krishna, right? Such a person, that person is not Nityananda. So here also, that's his identity, right? Premananda Sukhi, right? So he's always lost and joyful, engrossed in spiritual bliss, right? And since you are very happy, right? So since you always appear very happy, I have come to you because I am unhappy. The name, as the name suggests, Nitya Ananda, he is always happy, right? Kripa Balokana Karo, Ami Boro Dukhi, I'm very unhappy, I'm Dukhi, I'm dukhi. I'm very dukhi, right? So I'm very unhappy. So I've come to you so that you can also make me happy, right? So if you kindly put your glance over me, then I will also become happy. Can you imagine? Right? Just by the glance of Nityananda Prabhu, we will all become happy. As in, he will give us the pathway to Krishna Prema. Right? So Nityananda Prabhu's mercy is very, very important. Otherwise, we cannot get Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy. And also, the next para states, Tava Kripa Bale Pai Chaitanya Nitai. Without Advaita Advaita Acharya's mercy, we cannot get Nityananda Prabhu and Chaitanya's mercy. Chaitanya Nitai. So it's all stages. So all Panchatattvas are very important for us, right? So we have to pray, right? Yeah, who wants to try this? And then we'll go to the next para. Anybody else? Mandaki Mataji, you wanna try?
This
Hare
third,
Krishna.
yes, Mataji.
Sorry?
Yes, third number stanza, Mataji, right?
Yeah.
Prabhu Nityananda, Premananda Sukhi. Prabhu Nityananda, Premananda Sukhi. Kripavaloka karo, ami bada dukhi. Kripavaloka karo, bada dukhi. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Krishna, thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Yeah, so we'll finish the next 4 paras in the next class. Okay, thank you all for joining. Any doubts or any questions, any additions, anything you want to add?
Hare Krishna Mataji, you're making us cry, Mataji.
Huh? Why?
Because you're gifted, Mataji. That's all I can say.
No, bro. No, it's all Guru Parampara's mercy, right? So when we beg and sing, we actually get to cry, so we have to beg and sing, feel and sing from our heart. We have to sing, right? Then definitely it will reach the Panchatattvas and then we'll get the mercy. Hare Krishna, everybody. Thank you all for joining. Next class,
Hare Krishna Mataji.
वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां नमो नमः. अंतकोटि वैष्णवंदि की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय. हरे कृष्णा. Thank you all.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare
Thank
Krishna
you,
Maharaji.
Mataji.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna Mataji.